Hello, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we will be learning how to use Apple Memoji with your Android smartphone on Instagram. If you don't already know, Memoji is exclusive to Apple and is not available on Android. That is why I am teaching you how to use Apple Memoji on your Android. So let us start. Unfortunately, you can only make one if you either have an iPhone or a friend with an iPhone. What we want to do is simply ask them if you can customize an emoji. As we can see, I am screen sharing with an iPhone. I will guide you how to customize one. First, let's go to a messaging app and then let's hit the chat box. Here we will see an emoji and let's click that. And here we will see our emojis and memojis. Let us click the three dots. Now we have our memoji stickers. To make a new customized one, let's just hit the three dots again. And then let us click the new Memoji. Now we can customize our Memoji. You have plenty of options right here to change. And let's say that we have already customized our Memoji. Now let's click the emoji again. Three dots. And then here we will choose, I want to click this one. Hit send. After making a customized one, just send the Memoji to any messaging application where you can install the Memoji. As we can see, we have already sent the Memoji, but there is a white background. What we want to do is save the emoji, go to your browser, and search for remove.bg. Now we want to select upload image, browse, and let us select the downloaded Memoji. Now we download the Memoji without a background. Now that we have a Memoji without any background, we can go ahead and go to our Instagram account. Let's say I want to post a story. And let us select the photo that we want, and then to add the Memoji, let's go to this sticker and then hit plus, and then let us select the Memoji without background. Now we can use Memoji in our Android smartphone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.